Hi guys, for the final exam for my pre-certification, the final project said that should I copy a website from this list, and I choose Apple site, which is this. So this is the copycat website I make. Seems very close, like the original one. Yeah, using HTML and CSS for this site, and also I put some JavaScript, but it's not required because this this course was focused only for the front end fundamentals and not in the back end. So I will share my work to you. uh, I put an icon on it so that the title of my website has icon too, but it's not the same as the original. And also this class sidebar is the one has a feature that having a sticky sidebar, and if I remove it, this sidebar or top bar will not follow while I scrolling. I will show you. Refresh, then the top bar not following me because of I removed the class of it. So let's see this class. This is the properties of the class, so that the bar will always follow while I'm scrolling on it. Made on CSS, and I bring it back so that it should work again. Tada! It worked. And also this first header content, this is it. Put a JavaScript on it when I exit, so that it's more copycat, but it's uh, not focused on the backend. So the other function has not having a function of like the original one. I put some script on it for JavaScript. This one, getting the element by ID. Then if I click it, this element x bar x will close. Okay. I made also some classes for mobile responsive, because this list item will not be showing in mobile.